guys, I'm Amaya.
I'm Steven.
And I'm gonna be vlogging.
While I go to Mexico.
And I'm gonna be vlogging my week in Hurricane Florence.
I made it on the airplane. Barely, we had a run. We literally sprinted. I was sprinting and I was so I almost fell. So I'll see you guys when I land.
I'm going to my bus stop and it's kind of cold a little bit. And Steven just left. He's boarding his flight to Cancun. And I don't know, because like I go to school and I kind of miss him, and I actually go to be early to the bus stop for once, and it's just gonna be really difficult because like I normally talk to him about all my stuff. Now I have nobody to talk to, so I have to be all alone on the bus, but it's gonna be
okay. Guys, I landed at my layover in Atlanta. Okay, guys, I have no clue when I'm gonna post this. Like, I look crazy. Like, I look so weird. But we landed, and yeah, I'll let you guys know what happens next.
Hey guys, so I just got back from school and it's 4:45 right now, and to be honest I kind of miss Steven. Like I didn't realize how much I talk to him and how much he's like in my life that like, you know, I can't talk to him and like my phone sucks, so I couldn't even like Snapchat him or whatever during school. But anyways, I was just listening to music, and I don't really have a lot of homework to do, so I don't really know what to do. I'm just gonna go to sleep. I'm kind of hungry too, but I really want something sweet, which is like weird, but I kind of want like some ice cream. Maybe I'll have ice cream, yeah. I also, fix my eyebrow. I need to get my nails done. I'll probably do that like later in the week though, because I got on money right now. And yeah, nothing's really happening. Let's see what Steven's doing.
Okay guys, I'm at the hotel. It's really nice inside. I'm gonna show you guys inside for a little bit. But they got a pool. That view. So yeah. The hotel.
So right now I'm leaving my house, going to school, and it's raining, but I don't have an umbrella, so I have to wear this jacket. I don't even have a locker, so I don't even know this. So I probably have to carry this around the whole entire day. But anyways, it's fine. Probably even early to the bus stop again. Oh look, there's mushrooms. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but there's mushrooms. Weird. Hurricane is actually hitting us right now. It's not gonna hit us hard, but like we're not in like the eye. But it is.
I am back. So yeah, that's the view of outside. They upgraded us. So yeah, it's like really nice. It's a really nice view. As you can see, the little things right here. So yeah. Inside's really nice. It's just one bed for me and my brother. You know.
Hey guys, it's Valerie Vlogs. I'm here with Amaya, and today I am here vlogging and eating lunch. And like everything's slow. I'm here with Ashley as well.
And one of you come in line with me. I don't like going. All right, I'll go.
Okay.
Hey guys, so I got back from school like 2 hours ago, I think, and I finished up a little bit of homework, and I'm eating food right now. This cabbage soup, it's really not like appealing, so I'm not gonna show it. But school's kind of easy. It went by really quickly. Let's set it down. I don't like school. It's gross. But anyways, tomorrow is what, Tuesday? And it's a B day, so I have a lot in my classes with my friends, I think. And yeah. Today's been really easy, chill kind of day. Hurricane Florence is still coming. It's gonna really hit tonight, so maybe there'll be no school tomorrow. But I don't know. I really hope there is, cause I don't want to be home alone. Well, not alone, but like be home and not see my friends. Anyways, that's it.
Celebrity right here. We got the Mr. Celebrity right there. Very good.
Guys, so I just woke up and I got ready for school. I got a band shirt on and some Adidas pants. And today I have, I want maybe some cinnamon rolls. Fire. Let me show you. It's actually so good. House. It's really humid and it's raining again. It's kind of hot too. I don't know why I wear long sleeve, but it's fine. And yeah, I didn't really finish my cinnamon roll because I'm just gonna eat at school. And I'm still really hungry, so yeah. But I'm on my way to the bus stop. I think he's already here because I kind of hear him. And it's like, he came 3 minutes early. Hey guys, so I just got back from school and it's like a really sunny outside once, but I don't think it's gonna last long. It was an okay day. Sorry. It's been an okay day, actually. I kind of really miss Steven. And it's kind of sad, but whatever. Just wanted to show you guys the nice, look at this. So pretty. Hey guys, I know I'm horribly exciting, but whatever. I just wanted to show you my plate. Okay. But anyways, I have broccoli, lemon pepper chicken, and rice. It's actually so good. Kind of really good actually. And it's the first time my mom making it. It's really good. And not much has happened at all. I played a little basketball. I don't know. Yeah, not much has happened. I just wanted to show you what I was eating. And yeah. Guys, so it's I think the last day I'm gonna be vlogging of my vlog week. Right now I just got this sweatshirt with some gold lace pants, and I think it's 8:35 right now. And my bus should be like right there, but whatever. And yeah. So right now I'm just going to the bus. And Steven's just boarded his flight, I think. So I'm gonna see him later. I'm gonna see him later tonight. Or today. But yeah, see you. So guys, we just walked from school, which is like in an hour. We decided to walk instead of taking the bus, but okay.
Mostly because we were trying to be nosy about some guy who was getting in an ambulance.
Oh yeah, there's like an ambulance and I kind of wanted to see who it was, but anyways, what are we gonna do? We might go to the game, but I don't know. Will we go to the game?
I don't know.
I don't know. You're broke? Oh. So it's a few days later after I, is Steven waiting for me? Okay. Anyways, it's been a few days since I last, posted, you know, an update. So I think I'm gonna end my vlog there. However, I forgot to film the next, he's looking at me. Forgot to film a, outro. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and everything. And I'll see you guys later.